It's your boy, man. Ayukhuphula kancane mfana semzini. Yeah. Go. I see visual liars up against me, they minus. See my aura be higher. I do it worse like a Maya. What I'm spitting be fire. And I come with that time, I'm blowing up. Literally leave your camp in shambles. Them they pop in their bubbles. You know damn you a pebble. How you claim you the illest, my boy, you looking for trouble. You gon' die a bit double. Don't you trouble the trouble. Facing me is a stumble. And if we rumble and fumble, I'm the king of the jungle. I'm on trees like I'm Tarzan. I got bars like a tavern. Taking shots without a glass. Yeah, my nigga no cap. Taking shots without a can. Yeah, my nigga no strap. Rappers choking on the mic. I kill your tin till you tap. The game is not about stats, my nigga. Behind the mic, I swear it's all about facts, my nigga. Don't ever lie and say you are not the best, my nigga. Confusing fans with your friends, my nigga. Originality is all that you lack, my nigga. Forget the guillotine, my foot on your neck. Dalang benzela my simba, still abang knickknacks. Running laps and I never relapse. Don't you ever ask for features, know that I'm a reject. Don't you ever play your music, know that I'm a eject. Had you post this shit about me, home, you better retract. I went quiet for a while, been busy setting them traps. Now my nigga, I'm the king of the trap. I be blooding on the low, now we up. Self-driven in the boat, going nuts. Got all my niggas, boy, I'm never riding solo. Smoking niggas, Kamoritsu body solo. Pull up on them like a pull-out, never saw me coming. If you shoot us, it's a shootout, never probably running. Now they see us, they can speak up, what you rhyming. I've been fire since they feed us. They never ask for features, they rather tryna be us. They rather click up, try to infiltrate the gang. Now look how they switch up. Dropping bodies on the low before I shoot, I switch up. They be waiting for my drop like the summer rain. The only nigga number one, the rest ain't no 11. This is hotter than hell's fire, cold on any weather. Homie was fire, he inspired, now he up in heaven. Fly nigga on fly mode, dish my 911. I pay my dues, pay some respect, homie, give me my credit. I am a jeweler, I want my check, homie, you better debit. I want my stacks, I want it cash, don't pay me no deposit. If it's not about the money, don't you ever call me. The niggas be phony, they be ripping what they saw. I hate your streams of farming, hate your shit's appalling. You claiming hits is boring, stand and bands, give me my bands, them my Tenga Jacksons, Honeylins and Franklins. But wait a month ahead, they're asking for another drop. It's funny how niggas been posting, they got fire drops. It's fire emojis popping up, man, every time I drop. Today I trust me as a king till I'm a fucking goat. You take comments, I can tell you using FN bots. And them is time, all those streams, I know I FN bots. All of my flows, you'll never write, they're sinking FN bots. It's not this, it's an expose. Niggas hating like I'm effing the ex-pussy. They want me outside, they fuck all, I am an extrovert. They fall like autumn every season, I come with the band. They tryna follow the in-season, I come with the jams. Fully gassed, this my 9 to 5. I'm running on kerosene, you got 95. I'm blessed like I never seen, like a Holy Ghost. Still doing it for the team, never out of steam. I aim for the head with the beam, I spill all the beans. I am where I head with the schemes, I kill all the beats. Holiday I led, driven in a taxi. Backseat, fighting a change. Jolting what they don't speed. Cocky, flying in a cockpit. Landing won't be softly, shit's carry a costly. Shit niggas been boasting, not in weather coating. All they do be posting. Who the fuck told you niggas this be how we sold beef?